Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I'm gonna talk how to make your skin look beautiful, flawless, without 100 steps. We're gonna use some skincare, but very minimum. But I want you to see me without makeup. I'm a person who constantly have allergy. I constantly used to use steroids cream from my dermatologist because I do use in a lot of products after 40. This is what's happened. I don't have thyroid. Again, I have a severe allergy reaction. I'm working for Nordstrom. Some people will say, Katerina, what's happened with you? Yes, because I tried so many different products and it's killing me sometimes. My skin looks like awful, and I discovered the best powder looks amazing. I want you again to look at me without makeup. I think you saw a huge difference, right? You can look at how my skin looks beautiful. And today I'm introducing you the best powder I ever discovered. And trust me, I tried I don't know, hundreds of them. Remember, I worked for Nordstrom more than 20 years. I tried so many different brands, and this one is the best one. It's $33. It's named bareMinerals Bare Pro. Okay, let me tell you a little bit what I like it. It's full coverage. I have a large pores. It do not looks. It's not clog my pores, it's actually minimize my pores. Okay, formulate with 90 vitamins and mineral, smooth your skin, silky texture, clinically proved. It's make your pore smaller. It's also shine control. It's it's help with discoloration, pigmentation. For full coverage, use brush, which ones they sell in separate. I actually, when I finish video, and in my video you will see, I say, oh, they don't have any brush here or sponge here. I just gonna use my old Lancome sponge. But when I finish video, I discover they do have inside, this is it's your powder, and inside they do have a little sponge. But when I finish video and use this already for 1 week, I discover it is sponge there, and it's little bit tricky powder. I can use 3 different powders. Color on me it's fair 15. You know, I fair 15 cool. You know, I like to talk, but let's start. Let's show you how I apply, how I cover my skin. You can see I have a lot of discoloration, pigmentation right here. It's like my big allergy reaction right here, right here, right here. You can see my skin do not perfect. This is what's happened with me. I think like 1 year ago, I go to dermatologist. I use them constantly, steroids cream, which one kind of helped me, not help me 100%. But when I started using this amazing foundation powder, it's coming down. But let me show you what products I'm gonna use to make my skin flawless after 40 and will look good. Okay, I'm gonna use moisturizer from Sicily, and it's Velvet Nourishing Moisturizer. This is botanical line, and I love this moisturizer. It's not really heavy, it's a light texture, but will give me a nice good hydration. Because I have a large pores, I cannot use too heavy moisturizer, and my skin sometimes like normal to dry, sometimes normal to oily. Right now I feel my skin like feels like more normal. For my eye cream, I'm gonna use Skin Caviar La Prairie eye cream, and actually they say it's eye serum, but you can see it's famous caviar here, and here it's a gel moisturizer. I use this morning and night, and what I like it, you can see kind of immediately result how lift your eyelid. And again, I use this morning and night under my eyes. It is $500, but I think you can see a little bit difference kind of right away. Okay, skincare, it's very minimum. I don't have much time, but I want to look good. Again, look at my pigmentation, discoloration, everything, it's will gone. Girls, you're gonna love this powder. You're gonna love result, you can see. Okay, but before powder, I must use this product. This is samples from Clarins. Remember, I'm not some beauty stylist. I can get so much stuff for free. Okay, it's Instant Smooth Perfecting Touch. It's a primer, but it's not just primer, it's also for pores, for lines, for creases. It smooths your skin, and you can use this primer with liquid foundation or powder. But because I have a large pore, I'm coming close to you, I want you to see. You see, I want you to see it's my large pores. It's still my allergy right there, but trust me, it looks better than before. Let's put this primer, and it is kind of feels little bit heavy texture, but I actually like it because it truly smooths my lines, my pores, and I apply where it's like I have a large amount, or like where's my larger pores. It's right here, where's my nose, and right here on my cheek, and just I will just slightly like spread and smooth this. Woo-hoo. Do not put too much, but just put like where you feel you need it. Or if you wanna put, let's put on entire face, but very little. Before foundation, I'm gonna use little bit primer, and I know I don't have any allergy reaction with this primer, and it's by MAC Prolong Wearing. I'm just gonna put little bit right here and little bit right here. Okay girls, I have only concealer, and let's magic begin. I have powder. This powder do not come with any sponge, but I have little bit my like sponge from actually Lancome powder, and I'm gonna apply just like this, and now I'm gonna put on my face. You know what? I should come close. I want you to see. I hope everybody see my discoloration, pigmentation and pores. Let's begin. What do you think? Right? Amazing. Amazing, girl. Amazing. It's like one of my favorite. I am obsessed with this powder. You saw, remember I have big pigmentation, discoloration, it's gone. Let me prove you on another side. Again, my magic sponge, but I think you can also use any sponge. Like I have free sponges at Nordstrom, I use them and they're amazing. But again, I using this as Lancome, and we're gonna cover this. It's killing me. What you think? Amazing, right? Girls, I think my skins look amazing. I did show you before and after. I am so excited about these products. If we sold out in Nordstrom, I will put link below bareMinerals.com. But also, let's finish this because it is extra steps we need to make my skin flawless. Even more. Remember this wet-proof foundation powder. Okay, I'm little bit applying right here. Remember, I don't have much pigmentation right here, right, on my nose. Very little. I did put a lot here and here on my cheek. I have very little left product. I'm gonna put on my head right here. And it looks amazing. Now I am gonna use a big powder brush. I feel bareMinerals should take me as ambassador or reach me or pay me because I think it's so amazing, and I'm showing you how your skin can look so pretty after 40. But my daughter, she has acne. I'm gonna introduce her to these products because remember, it's not comedogenic, it's fragrance free, it's it's very healthy powder. Okay, I have a little bit powder brush, and this is it from Smashbox. I love this powder. I'm gonna apply on my brush. Why I do this? Okay, because I can see I have a little bit more heavy looks powder here, and all what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna little bit smooth this, make this contrast of product, whereas here big, here's almost nothing, looks more even. I just put little bit and I'm just buffing. Also, I need to tell you, it's very incredible products because color which one I use, it's Fair 15 Cool. When I apply on my skin, I'm like, oh my god, it's too pink, it's do not look good at all. But after a first time I apply, and I'm like, you know what, I don't have time to redone my makeup, I'm going back to work, and everybody's like, oh my god, I love your skin, I love what are you using, I'm like, I have just foundation powder. I discover I never ever experienced these products before, even with selling in Nordstrom. But remember, not all Nordstrom carries this brand online, yes, but my Nordstrom Tampa store do not have this. But what's happened when I apply, it looks like not my color, but I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna buff, and then it looks like, oh, it's a perfect color for me. Yes, again girls, look at my skin. My skin looks so amazing. I look very young. I don't look like I'm 44. I look like 34, right? If you feel product looks a little bit powdery on you, okay, you can use, I will suggest Lancome Fix Plus. It's fragrance free. Remember, I have a very bad allergy reaction. What I show you right now, what you see on your screen, I just using this powder maybe for like 3-4 days, and I already have a huge improvement. Okay, let's set you my makeup. Now my powder will not look dry on my skin, and again, it's very final mist. I don't know if you will see or not. Yes, you can see. I don't go like a very splashy big mist like water drop. I like final, and it's the best one. Okay, my skin looks good. You know what, but I look a little bit pale, right? I look a little bit missing something. I'm gonna fill my eyebrows, and I'm gonna use Clinique eyebrow pencil, very small, very tiny. And then if you want glow, it's still all about glow. I will show you a glow product I like to put on my skin to have this like Hollywood glow. Eyebrows, it's done. Again, my skin looks so amazing. And let's put a little bit glow. I'm gonna use Hourglass palette, and we have like 3 colors here. It's light, radiant light color, and we have like a bronze here, little lighter and more lighter. I am gonna use Chanel brush, and I'm gonna use this darker color. I'm just gonna use this as my bronze. Will give me a little color, not much. Oh, my little cookie, little Pomeranian barking. Must be package came from Nordstrom. I have everyday package coming because it's so many holiday deals now. Okay, and now I have another exciting palette. It's a blush palette. It's brand pure. Oopsie, it's right here. Okay, we have here amazing 4 blushes. We have shimmer, we have matte, but I like it. They are different undertone. You can use this for eyeshadow, but again, remember, if you're allergic like me, you wanna look for brands or like where it says paraben free, gluten free, talc free. It's a vegan friendly, cruelty free, and I bought this for like almost nothing. I bought the nordstromrag.com for like $13-14. It's on sale. Amazing. I'll put link below for you. Okay, let's try. I don't even know which one I want to use because they're all pretty. Okay, you know what? Let's use this one. I'm gonna use this one, color Honest, and let's start with like lighter, kind of on center. Because it's brand new product, I don't even know how it's gonna look. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. You know what? I truly love all these products today. Incredible. Let's put bright red lipstick with my beautiful red dress from St. John. You can see my skin looks still amazing. Mama happy, Katya happy. Red lipstick we're gonna use from Nurse, and it's named Unproper Red. And I have an old lip liner from Lancome, color Rougel. Let's finish this look. Voila! Unproper Red on me. Okay, love you all. Happy holiday. I hope you like this look. Please share this video. A lot of people, I feel, they're looking for products they cannot discover, and this is it's amazing powder after 40 or before 40. If you have allergy, if you have acne, if you want a flawless skin, that's it. bareMineral Bare Pro. It's perfect, the best foundation powder I ever tried.